here's a quick tutorial if you really want a nice back stretch. Or back crack, I meant. So, you're going to want to go like this. You're going to want to go like this. And then you're going to put your feet, your hands like close to the door. And then you're going to work 1 foot forward. Then make sure your knees bent. And other one like right there. And where the other one is. And then maybe back them up if you're strong enough to lift them off the ground. And then go like this into like child's pose. Then if you can go any closer to the door, go any closer, and then it's really safe to get down, you just go like that. And then you're done. So that's how I crack my back nice and easy on any wall or door. Bye. Thanks for watching.